Hello guys, Shary here. So the last week or just last week and few days ago I participated in Crazy Web Game Jam 2024 sponsored by Unity, and in this devlog I'm gonna show you how my week went. Of course I had shortage of time and why I basically participate in that game jam. So the game jam theme was everything is a remix. So I was starting thinking about the game idea, and because last time I made a tower defense game, so I decided to make tower defense game and platformer remix, because the platformer is quite easy to make, and I also make this tower defense game last time, so I was thinking, oh, okay, I'm gonna have some knowledge from tower defense and platformer is quite easy to make. Then I'm gonna combine these two things together and we will see what will happen. And this is what I had on Friday evening, which was after few hours when Game Jam started. His characters jumping on the platforms, and I use tile maps. Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you then the story which happened next. Yes, I was super busy, of course, making the game. It was like an evening already, and I just spotted that someone at the comment on one of my videos about the Unity Gradle error, uh, and so I just checked that comment, and Mohammed had the issue uh, with that, so he pasted me the errors, he get it, and I made a PDF file for him to with some research. I did some research and I replied to him, and after a few days or a day after or something, he just replied to me that he fixed the issue after that 5 hours or something. So I was very proud of him, because at the first I was thinking that it's no chance to fix it, or he's not gonna reply to me at all or something like that, because I was during a game jam. And on Sunday, which was like second or third day of the game jam, I went to a dog shelter because I had like 8 kilo of dog's food, and of course I don't have a dog, so I just decided to go to dog shelter to give that food. And basically that was a nice journey, or yeah, I don't know how to say that, like good day out basically, because I don't have a car, and I have to walk there like about 40 minutes or something, and go by bus as well. So whole journey was like 50 some minutes or about an hour. Of course, I went with my wife and my son. And I'm gonna show you some pictures of the dog. One dog was a Brooke, and the other dog was Mabel. So we took these dogs for a walk. Yeah, and we've been there like for about 2 or 3 hours, because it takes some time, of course. Yeah, and basically I didn't have more time on Sunday to work on the game, so now I'm gonna show you the finished game. It's not fully, I mean, not full game, because this gameplay I recorded from Unity. But the game also have a main menu, which I didn't record it here. But yeah, so basically I didn't expect to win. I just would like to show that my idea works. Yeah, so this is my map. And as you could see, you could build like 3 towers on the map, and this is like the ending flag, because of course the the enemies have to reach the flag. So you got the players got 5 lives. 10 lives for the flag, so yeah, and it's like that, and it's like tower is shooting at the enemies, of course, enemies dropping the coins, and using these coins you could upgrade the tower or build a new one. And as you could see, the one of the mechanic I made, it was this enemy dropping the coin, and as you could see, they dropping the coin in like in random place, so it's not always in the same place, because if your tower is gonna destroy or is destroying basically yeah, on the same position, the enemy in the same position, the coins was overlapping each other. So I made the script where when they spawning is like little offset. So as you could see, it looks better. Yeah, and basically I just, yeah, as you could see, you could get damage, and yeah, and basically I just would like to prove that that idea works, because basically personally I never played a platformer tower defense game. Maybe someone make one or something and I don't know about it. I don't know. But that was the idea in my head. And as you could see, the idea works, and I think also the idea got the potential. Um, of course, that's why I made these platforms higher, because there is one thing: when the enemy is going to the right and you for example want to go to the left, then of course you cannot go through them. So that's why I made these platforms above, so you could just, you see, jump and then go above, so you could you know, go above them to just yeah, not get in the contact with them. Or another idea is to make these enemies go like less of them, and basically you could then jump over them or something like that, you know. Yeah, but I made the first idea, which is like more enemies going, but you could jump through the platforms. Yeah, and basically the games is like that. Let me know in the comments that if you like the idea in general. In this project, these tile maps, this what's the name? This not background. So background, player, and these enemies. I bought these assets, and that tile maps, with like these ground tile maps, towers, this left arrow sign, hearts, flag, I made. Coins I bought as well. So yeah, and basically that's it. So yeah, another most important thing, if you're still watching this video, then I think this maybe will be useful for you, or maybe not. Um, that I made this 2D project because of course I want to try some things, and after using Unity in 2D for about, I don't know, 3 weeks, maybe month or something like that, just today I just spotted this because I was thinking about it. Just today I just spotted, I think 2D is no good when you're not doing pixel art properly, or your pixel art, because it's hard to find good 2D assets and also match loads of assets together, as the as 2D's got, you know, different sizes. So one of them you have 16 by 16, while the other is 32 by 32, or one of the assets is more detail and the other one is less detail. And when you put this together, it didn't look you know, similar. So that's why I'm thinking 3D is better, or maybe much better. Of course it's different, you know. But what I'm gonna do at the moment, of course I'm gonna learn a lot more, but I'm gonna do that in 3D, not in 2D. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.